Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical Things, and in this video I will tell you how to install mod in GTA Vice City or any new car that you want. So you have to simply go to our website that I will give in the description and install the mod installer. You have to simply tap on that, start download. I had downloaded it, as you can see here. So now we have to download a car or any that we have to install in GTA Vice City. So I will install a car. You can choose anyone in it. So I will choose Camry and maybe yeah, that's good. I will choose that one. And now you have to download it. I start downloading. So now you have to unzip this installer. Now you have to click on mod installer. Now you have to continue, and then you have to tap on next and next, and you have to give the path of the way where is the Vice City is installed on your PC. So okay. And now you have to give the part of the car or mode that you want to install. So I have to give this part. In downloads. So there it is. Now you have to open, and you have to do next, and it will start installing. First you have to give the name of vehicle or anything that you want to replace. So it will take the place of it. So I will choose the car Sabri Turbo. So you can choose any car that you want to replace. So that's one. So now you have to do next. So you have to do yes. So now you have to write BMW. You can write anything. So English, Now you have to do next. Now you have to do yes, and yeah. So your video has been, or sorry, so your card has been updated. So that's all about the video. Thanks for viewing.